rappers and natural flicks.
On the way to the airport, they put me in this nice van. I feel like a celebrity right now, man. Not even trying to sound big-headed, it's just clean. So, all in all, the whole experience, the trip, amazing. I definitely would come back to do more in the future. But right now, I'm on a mission to Belgium. When I get to the airport, I'm gonna show you the hostel. Better be clean. I like my room clean. But I'm gonna show y'all the hostel. I'm gonna be in the IST airport for a couple of days until my next plan. And we're just gonna keep it moving until I get back to the States. Comment below, would you come to Turkey to get a hair transplant? One more thing I forgot to tell y'all, my forehead is a little swollen if you cannot tell. It goes down after a few days, typically, but I ain't tripping about the swollen forehead. We did it, baby, let's go. Keep in mind, as you're walking around Instanbul, there are pickpocketers. So what I did was have my wallet and my phone inside my jacket, where my chest is at, instead of in my pants pockets. Also, have my jacket zipped up. And if you think that someone's not gonna pick your pockets, that is not a wise thought. You won't even know that they took your stuff. I began to notice as I was walking down the strips, individuals would be walking closer to me. And I was noticing, so what I would do is swerve my shoulders away. So that way, you know, just keep your stuff safe. But you can get a sense of a vibe that someone is probably going to take something from you. Having situational awareness is always good to have no matter where you go. While walking around, you will see a lot of stray cats. And you better not be rude to them, because the locals will be mad at you. In this area, cats are treated as house pets, even though they're outside. So if you don't like cats, find a way to ignore them without showing that you don't like them by shoving your hands or feet near them. You might even get a couple of stray dogs around. So the same rules apply. What you hear on the intercom systems throughout the city is just the mosque towers. Usually, there's 5 prayers a day that go out for those who are Muslim. So don't be alarmed, as I was at first. But you'll learn that it's just a prayer tower. Trust me, I thought something was about to happen. Take the sun, took a little stroll down the strip. I really just needed some fresh air, so about to take the elevator back up to the room right now and relax. Just like that. Overall, I really think that the city has a really nice culture to it too. It's definitely a culture shock, though. Something I'm not used to. And I gotta say, people here genuinely have a in a hurry attitude. You gotta get to where you're going. Let's go, let's go, let's go. That's it. My little hostel. I didn't end up staying at the one in the airport because it was actually a hotel and I wanted a hostel experience. Why not? So I'm here. It's straight though. It's not bad. It's actually a alright room. Only paid $72 for 3 nights. It's the bathroom, kind of small. Looks like an RV. It's cool. I definitely was hungry. Had to go around the corner for some street food. And it was not disappointing. Trust the process. Hey man, I came out here randomly to this little spot. 800 TL, 800 lira per kilo. So 918 lira. Right? Bro, I have a thing about honey. And where I'm at in Texas, we don't have honey with the comb at the store. So I'm about to cash out. I think it's like $24 US dollars for all this honey. Man, and they got all these type of honey too. Different colors. 900 lira, $24. Okay, I'll do it. Yes, yes, yes.
Kızım kaç kere diyorsun? Sen de gel.
I had another good day here in Turkey, man. It's interesting when you actually get around the corner and you go down the street some more. And you really just engage with the city a little bit. I didn't have much time yesterday because it got dark so quick, but tonight I just told myself, forget it, get out my shell, let's go. So, once again, man, culture shock. Almost saw a fight tonight. I definitely had to get up out of there. I don't know the way people get down out here for real, but we made it safe in one piece. Tomorrow, I go to Belgium.
Sort of basics. And when I think about, again, just
this portion is gonna be a quick. I'm not supposed to eat a lot of sweets right now with the transplant. However, I am gonna take a bite of this honeycomb anyways, because all I've been thinking about is honey on the way to Turkey since I left Texas. And now that I randomly found it, how can I resist? Look at that. I did not expect it to taste like this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Taking that home. Checking in. Baggage claim, baby. They got a whole mall in the airport. Our ST airport is different. Already, y'all, we made it all the way from Istanbul here in Brussels. I'm on a train to Belgium right now. That's my destination. The flight time from Istanbul to Brussels about an hour and a half, if that. So now I'm gonna show y'all some more culture. Your boy's on the move, on a mission. I got my hair done. Now I'm just enjoying my time. I'm out here visiting my uncle, and we're gonna see how it is in Belgium. I'm gonna take a lot of snapshots of some things and add it to the vlog. This segment is Belgium. Let's go.